Wow, that's a big rhino. But
Are we trying a safari?
We're gonna drive, yes.
Are we going
wow,
to
yes. Just make sure the door locked for Maxie.
We can self-grame drive, cheetah talk, live reptile show. That looks amazing. Vulture hide, access to restaurants, reserve ticket office.
children play park?
Maybe you stay in the car and go buy ticket.
Yeah.
We go to buy
Reserve
to
ticket
buy a
office. Yeah, go to the left here.
Are you going to buy a ticket?
Yeah. Yeah. It's a self-drive safari.
Well, look, there's a
right?
big playground there. Yeah, self-drive safari. Self-drive game reserve.
Games.
Let's hopefully do that. Not going to go.
Riding a bike like that. Look at that.
Oh,
Look at this.
that looks
That's
fun.
amazing.
I'm not going to go
Oh.
down there.
Why?
Wow, it's fun. Good.
That looks amazing.
No, it looks so scary because I'm going down
Well, it looks like you can
Well,
come in
as
here.
soon
then.
as you
Should be-
do- try it.
I'm too scared because
That's
I
fine.
don't want to
That's-
drive down.
Okay, it's fine. You don't have to try if you're scared.
I only go do that when I'm 7.
Okay, so now you're still young for that.
Hold my breath because walk around. So let's take a picture. Mama.
Hello. Good. Thank you.
So we scan the ticket and we driving inside now, and we just follow this map.
Yeah, I see a buffalo.
Huh?
No, that's wildebeest.
No, I see a buffalo.
No, I'm telling you, those are wildebeest. You see the ostrich there too?
No, I see a buffalo.
You see the ostrich behind it? Those are kudu, I think. Oh my god, look at Maxie, like the chips.
It's a
Mommy, look, he
buffalo.
grabbed a chip out of it.
Aww.
It's literally a buffalo. Ah, buffalo.
They have leopard in here, they have tiger, they have lion.
I see a buffalo up.
To see the buffalo?
Yeah.
Drive.
Mama. Mama.
Yes.
Mama.
I don't know if this has four-wheel drive. Look at run fast, huh? Look at that. Oh, disappeared.
Wonder Cave.
Wonder Cave.
Yeah.
We'll go to the wildlife center in the reptile park up here.
I want to go to the Wonder Cave.
We will.
After what?
Yeah.
Look like a baby deer, right?
Mama.
Yeah?
Mama. Abba. That's a safari. Okay, Mama, look at the deer.
Yeah, I see him.
The deer
Aww.
is shaking his butt. Do you see that there?
I see it. Oh, look at up.
Try to
Look on this side. Not. Oh my God! The picture is very cute. Oh, not zoom in a bit far. Yeah, put far. Yeah. He just enjoy his life here.
What are they looking at
I
here?
think they just take the video picture.
Bro.
That's wildebeest.
I'm going to shake it.
What are they, Daddy?
Kudu?
Kudu?
I think so. Is Maxie sleepy? That's a pub. Wildlife Center.
Now in White Center.
Yeah. I don't know what's there. But it looks like the tigers might be here.
You get poop. Your wildlife.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, look at that guy.
Yeah.
He's sleeping. One is up here and another one here. Just enjoying his life here. Look at that, his belly up. Look at that cute, those cute paw.
And then you see the big tiger.
Oh,
And then you see the big tiger.
oh, and the other one here. This is beautiful, eh? Their hair,
The white
the
tiger.
color. Yeah. Is that beautiful, sir?
That's a fat ear fox gun.
Bad ear.
Look at that tiger.
Oh my
Gun.
God, he's walking now. He's been like putting his. Oh, he's peeing.
That tiger like fall down when he right?
The other one been sleeping there the whole time.
Clouded leopard.
Maybe he hiding somewhere. Tiger con. You just see them from here. It's very cute. This one just walk around, but the other one just sleeping there the whole time. We gonna walk to the other side. This one is for cloud leopard, but we don't know where he is. He's not here. We don't see anything in here. We just have little house here. Weather today is just perfect. Not even hot. I can just wear a t-shirt and a running shoe or sandal should be good too. Here, sleeping here, and on the other side here, there's two of them here. Oh, so cute. So beautiful. Our cat has the same type of spot like this. Now he walking.
Mommy, look, it's a black one here. You got it?
So hard to see Nana in there, right?
Up there. Gotta go here, good.
There's a hole there.
hanging his leg.
Banana.
Beautiful print.
It sounds like patchy. It sounds like patchy waking sound.
Oh,
Oh, let's go.
it's not flamingo, but it's
It's a
stork.
flamingo. It's a flamingo. Do you know mango and flamingo? Go.
Go.
Mama!
Yes?
Papa.
Do you see? Here, how about you carry Maxie and I'll carry Linden?
He has the same color, the rock.
Here, carry.
On this side, look like you guys, this is a perfect place to have a bride. They have all different stalls available.
Those, I think they're just like washrooms.
That is a down rock.
Yeah. Sad, huh?
It's really nice, right? We can just come here, bring some meat, just
And
spend.
bride.
Yeah. Now
Why is there
we're
so many
driving
cars here?
out.
Look how many cars are on this side. There must be something going on here.
The next one gonna be zebra. Oh, look at that. They're so
They're like horse, big, eh?
beautiful, but the print, look at how.
I wish we can ride.
Aww.
I wish we can.
They stole,
Can't ride though.
what is, it's easy. Wow. Look at the spot. Ah. Handsome boy. Right there. Bark.
Yeah.
It tastes like candy. Ah.
This is, I don't know how many kilometers in here. This coming up, we are going to see some more zebra,
Wildebeest.
wildebeest.
Yeah.
A lot of the animal. I never seen it before too, guys.
Look, there's a pig on the side. A warthog.
Even the name I can't even say, but I'm learning.
Those warthogs, eh? And look at those kudu and wildebeest.
Wait.
Pig.
Wait, why there's a raccoon here?
Where?
Happy Bunty the other. Mama.
Yeah.
Bothongo wonder. Imagine like Vancouver Island, and the whole thing is the wild. That's like they have parks that big. Now we're driving to the Wonder Cave. Parking.
So the next one, we are going to the Wonder Cave.
Yeah.
But this one, I think you have to buy a different ticket.
To go inside, yeah.
Yeah, if you want to go inside.
So Wonder Cave, then we go to the Predator camp, and then that's it. And then we can have lunch, Len can ride his bike, and then we go home. Cave is this way. But then it says the Bothongo Wonder Cave is that way.
During our stay in South Africa, we gonna try to explore different places every week. And this time we explore this reserve. And next time we just want to check out another reserve for a South Drive. The road is
Steep, eh?
bumper. This is almost like here, just almost like driving up the mountain.
These are bones. Vultures only eat bones.
What is this place called, buddy?
Vulture Peak or something like that? Vulture Hide.
Vulture High.
These are what
Now we driving back down. What is our next stop?
Wonder Cave.
Wonder Cave. And the road just look like this. Very beautiful though. So we going to make the left here. The tour is starting at 2 o'clock. Now we got here now.
Okay.
You said this is like to low down. But where we go to?
Put this bird.
Mama,
Yes.
first,
Yes, son.
remember I found a 4-week quote.
So we're going to check the Wonder Cave.
Baskets to bring them to the top through a pulley system with oxen that would pull this weight to the top here. It goes then into a kiln or an oven. There it got onto a grit system, burn it up to 2 to 3 weeks at 6.
वीडियो खींचते कैसे
Wow, Lennon, look at the
ऊपर देखो
cave,
ऊपर
eh?
ऊपर लुक एट
To the back of the lower. Stalactites, stalagmites. Stalactites are tight at size of this. It's not that really big. That is where what we have called a pressure ring. Now, you find the stalactites above. Stalagmites at the bottom. And this side here, we're asking for, we call it, but we have an ecosystem down here. Wet seasons and dry seasons. That's a wet season. That's from a dry season. Same also from what we call flowstone that comes out of the wall and is running down the side. We have dry seasons and wet seasons. Wet season is where the water, like for now, comes down at quite a fast pace. And when it runs down, it gives your water particles leaving the limestone back and slowly run down the sides. It leaves time for the limestone particles to settle down on the formation itself before the next drop comes down. So your stalactites always above and the stalagmites directly underneath them, except for our second. The people with the white jackets and the thick glasses that call themselves professors, they said that
You wanted to go to the caves, right? This is the caves. Now you can. And maybe you could say like, oh, I go to the caves.
It feels more amazing to see this in person, right, honey? Yeah. It's like the video.
Let's quickly start off. Meter every 100 years. It's the third largest cave chamber also in South Africa. 64,000 square meters of open space all around. 50 meters high. From the highest point in the cave to a formation which is called the Virgin Mary, praying Madonna.
Look at this.
A little house.
You can move to a little bit more. Just you see down there a rimstone pool. There is already water down there. It takes 4 months after the rainy season started. That water would drip down in flow. It leaves limestone particles on top of the wall. It will grow upwards then. Once the water overflows it. Interesting facts. The highest one of a rimstone pool that you'll ever find, price for protection. By the age of 80, 100 years of age, have we succeeded?
Mama!
We only have such a short time on earth.
Mama!
You also don't.
Look at that.
100% pure water. After this rainy season,
This place?
Lions, if you keep an eye out, you may be able to see a lion, or cheetah, or hyena, or wild dog. Oh, his shoe. He's saying shoe.
So we are going to see the brown lion first.
See any rhinos, but I know there are rhinos here.
Yeah.
Otherwise, why would they call it a rhino park? Oh! Okay. Look at those lions, good. There's 1, 2, 3.
So one just sleeping here. And you look to the right. Another one just there. We all have to sit in the car. Oh, there's another one here. They're just enjoying their life. And another one is eating.
Male?
That's big.
I thought that was the male.
They're
But-
female here.
Female?
They're big.
Nè, bữa tao á. Si hai cối thơm đắng này đằng sắt ấy này thơm á. À môi bằng cối hại nữa nữa.
I think that one is eaten.
This must be their area.
Yeah. Cái nông đi xuân bà tao.
Oh, is that one?
Kia ai cho chơi bị cái nông lan này.
I did.
Look at that.
Mama. Mama.
The next one we are going to see the white lion.
That.
So bumpy.
That is go by me. Go by me to
Which way? It's the right side?
infection. Infection, you have to make the way affect the whole world.
There you can see the. It's just sleeping so flat.
Look, there's
Right.
one right here beside us.
Yeah. But like, look how they sleep, putting the leg up.
Look, this one right.
So this guy, he working hard all day to entertain people that come and see him. Now he's tired, I guess.
Oh, the white lion. Get up. Oh,
Oh.
How to go?
you don't see the lions, good? Poison, you snack.
Hello, lion. good night. Have a good night. We'll see you next time.
We got the whip.
Oh, there's another one here.
I want to raise the.
Look at this on the other side here. The one underneath the bush here.
He eating. I saw him. I saw he was eating something.
He's eating? Oh.
Oh my God! Look what they're eating. You want to eat some?
I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Now we just finished seeing all the.
I know. When you're done, you have to stretch.
Now there's a lot of sun. I think this time of the year is so beautiful too.
This time in the year, I think it's the most beautiful. Everything's green, but all the grass.
So our son he got a cheese pizza. Yeah, see that one?
Hello. I don't know. Are you Chinese? But how old are you? How old are you?
And what did you get? Hey, pa.
Mama, do you know what? I just made one layer and go. Is it what?
Patient.
Red, and that's a blood moon.
Thank you for spending time with us today, and we had fun and we really enjoyed the sunset during the drive home.